पैट फार्मर हो ऑस्ट्रेलियन एक्स स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर पार्लमेंटेरियन हाणें जगभराक रन करप एक बरो कन्सेप्ट जो आसा न्ही ते ताणें हाजे पयलें केल्लो आसा. जगांतल्या बऱ्याचशा देशां मदीं ताणें अशे तरेचे रन्स केल्ले आसा. ती मोटिवेट करपा खातीर खर्च करता. आनी त्याच बरोबर की आमच्या ट्युरिजम डिस्ट्रिक्टांतल्यान अत्यंत म्हत्वाचो कन्सेप्ट आसा. आनी म्हाका दिसता देशभरांतले सगळे जे रनर्स जे आसा की स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन आसा की तांच्या दृश्टिकोनान म्हत्वाचो आसा. त्यामुळे आमी सगळे गोंयकार आज गोंयांत पोळ्यांतल्यान हांगा येतात तांचें स्वागत करपा खातीर आमी जमले आसात. आनी म्हाका दिसता की तांची जी जर्नी आसा ती सादारणशे 60 दिसांची की एप्रील सादारणशे म्हयन्याच्या मध्यंतरीक ही सोंपतली.
Pat Farmer is a former Minister of Sports and also a Member of Parliament of the Australian government. He is a celebrity. He is a ultra marathon runner. He raises funds for charity and he does it for the cause of the child education, particularly the girl child education. He has several world records. He has run in South America, he has run in Vietnam, and this is a very great opportunity that he is running in India. He will be running from Kanyakumari to Srinagar in a period of 60 days, covering 4,600 kilometers. Started this journey on the 26th of January from Kanyakumari, which is also the National Day of Australia.
The experience has been it's been magnificent. It's been incredibly tough, very, very difficult. I've been running approximately 80 kilometers every single day, and particularly down low in Tamil Nadu, the temperatures were very, very humid, very hot. I expect they'll still be humid for a while yet, but they're gradually getting a little bit better. That took a lot of energy out of me and made things difficult to acclimatise. But the thing that kept my heart warm was, of course, the people on the sides of the roads that clapped and cheered us on and came out to see what we were doing, the support. And one of the things that I've observed all the way through India to this point is that the Indian people are incredibly patriotic. They love their country, and there's good reason to love their country. This is a magnificent land, a beautiful land, one that I'm hoping to showcase to the world.